it will go like this. During the call with General Shibiri, he told me that Molefe was part of a group of 5 individuals with interest in mining in the Northwest province, and that one of those guys belongs to a group of Abom Swazi, Nabom Tagati. That is him saying the names now. He also said another guy is a Zulu guy. He's a tall guy, now describing him to me. He's known as Z, who stays in Sandton, who I understood to him to be Z Numano. He said Z is a close friend of Julius Malema, who is a politician, who then tends to be close to General Sibia. So he was connecting the person that we arrested to Z, and then Z to Julius Malema, and then Julius Malema, who is friend to General Sibia, the Deputy National Commissioner. Now he's painting a picture to me that I do not know, to now be aware that this is how the chain goes.
Thank you, Witness A. Can we go to page 32?
Perhaps before you do that, the Witness A, in that you referred, in quotes, you have Abom Swazi, from what you've read, Nabom Takat.